Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Creative Living. I know it's been a while, but it's been an incredibly busy 2 3 months with a lot of traveling and work and other things in life. So it's taken some time to do this. But today I want to talk about role models and how they can bring us immense joy, show us courage, and help us make better life decisions, or even be that invisible support, even if you don't know them personally. I think I think when we grew up, we didn't have enough role models. Most of the most of the people, history and our education celebrates are men, unfortunately, and there are very few women. And even for them to be celebrated, they have had to do something really drastic, or really, or in many cases, they have died maybe, or sacrificed their lives, or done something really amazing. But my point today is uh, kids and adults and young adults whom need people in real life who they can emulate, who they can look up to, who can inspire them, and not just for the good things. People who are not perfect, people who are flawed, people who make mistakes and own up to them, people who are human, people who stumble and fall and they pick themselves up and start over again. So I feel like this could be anybody. If you have a strong mother, it could be her. I had a strong grandmother. She's one of my biggest role models. It could be a neighbor, it could be a teacher, it could be a colleague, it could be your boss. There are, I think, role models are important to seek inspiration from in real life, and I'm lucky to have had a few in my life. But there's another thing happening in our country and across the world today where we take celebrities as role models. We sometimes tend to confuse um, their mannerisms on screen and take a lot of qualities from them to be like them, to aspire to live the kind of life they are living or to do the things that they are doing, which in itself is not a bad thing. But for someone who's not aware, for impressionable minds, or for someone who has not had the exposure or in the wrong setting, some of those things can be so detrimental. I see a cacophony of young men and women idolizing one hero or another, and not anything for what they have done in real life or impacted our planet or people in any way, just for the kind of roles they have portrayed in movies and the kind of characters they have played on screen, which is great, right? I love cinema. I am my own fangirl in many ways. But are they role models? No, right? But at the same time, there are also people who may not be celebrities but have become so because they are in the limelight for one or two reasons, and they are there for the good causes, right? They are in it for the right reasons. Take one person who I am very fond of and who is a big role model for me, and I do not use this word lightly, is the singer Chinmay. Few years ago, she spoke about Me Too in the Tamil industry, and she named a very popular lyricist, and she made a whole lot of enemies and got herself banned from the industry. Um, One of the most promising, talented, inspiring artists of my generation, of our generation, who won a national award for her very first song with Rahman, who has sung countless songs that still ring in my head every time I think of her, got banned just like that overnight. She's still fighting a battle legally. She's still not allowed to sing in Tamil, but she has sung for other languages and continues to sing. But the impact it has had on her career for the last decade or so, uh, and all the money that she could have made, or all the fame she could have gathered, all the beautiful songs she could have given us, all of that is gone, vanished. And but she has stuck her ground. She continues to speak up about people who have done wrong, not just to her, but anybody else in the industry. She continues to support women, especially in the Me Too movement. She continues to make their stories her give her voice to the stories. And mind you, these are not easy things to do in social media. She gets a lot of hate for it. She gets everything from threats to harassment to all sorts of um, hatred, intense hatred for just saying things out loud, right? Or sharing other people's story or calling out what is not right. So, in a society like this, it is really hard for, I mean, just imagine what it would have done to her mental peace for all these years, especially when her career was being taken away and she was facing so much hatred for just speaking the truth. But she stood her ground, and I love her for her voice, but I really adore her and respect her and consider her a role model for taking a stand against injustice and never faltering or never backing down in the face of so much hatred and misogyny and patriarchy, right? I think that is someone I would call a role model. And I think so of recent in the recent times she has made a comeback with a song of her going viral again, and people raising a lot of questions about why she's not singing in the Tamil industry yet. And like, how can we not have access to such a talent, right? I'm really happy for her. It has put her in the map again. She's doing a tour. I visited the Chennai one and I was so glad I could. I absolutely enjoyed every moment of it. But at the same time, it makes me feel like I started thinking about role models, because the other day I was telling someone she's my role model, and I started thinking about role models, and I thought, hey, who else is my role model, right? So for me, I don't care how talented someone is. I care about what they believe in, what they value, and how strong their values are, right? There will be 100 celebrities who come and go, but they don't have a spine if they cannot speak up for what is right, and if they cannot stand up for themselves or for other women. I can't really respect them. And none of them are going to be my role models, right? And I urge the younger generation also, right? And I want to, I keep talking to my cousins and I keep talking to uh, other people in my family, and I am just I just want people to be careful about who they idolize, especially younger generation, right? You can take away a lot of things that you find that you think are reality, but they actually not. And what you think is real, your world is going to be shaped by that, and you're going to contribute to a world like that. So it's very important that we expose our children to good role models, celebrities or influential people with the right kind of values, so that we can build a life or a world that is uh, that is not uh, that is not an unfair place, right, for everyone involved. So I just want to talk about this, and I will add some videos from this in my concert. I absolutely enjoyed it. But if you have any role models, tell me, let me know. I would love to hear about them. Thank you so much for watching. See you again.